So this is gonna be a basic tutorial on how to drive Athens Dash. You want to perform a launch trick here, and then chain 3 mini turbos. So you want to aim for both coins. Do a hop to align yourself. So after this launch trick, you can get these 2 coins. And you can go around, or you can charge SMT and do the NISC, which is no item shortcut. And you want to do the glider, you want to get a coin. You want to take it as tight as you can here. Here, charge a mini turbo. And there's a few ways you can do this. I like to do the bush cut because it's faster. Going. Launch trick, SMT, and you want a low glider here. And you want to perform 2 tricks here. You could have picked up those 2 coins if you don't have enough. I didn't have enough, which is fine. Alternatively, if you don't want to take the SMT-ness, you can just get the coin, align yourself with a mini turbo glider. And up here, if you don't want to take the bushness, if you're not confident, you trick, and then you drift. Drift off the last one, and you charge UMT. And a reason you want to do low glider here is because sometimes the glider won't cancel if you don't. So let's see if I can do it here. So I didn't go low enough, and this is slower if you have the glider open like that. So try to do low glider so it can cancel. So stream times, they're, of course, you one here. I like to hold my UMT because I feel like it's really fast. And the proper way to do this is you trick, and then you drift off this corner as tight as you can. You could do it even tighter. Let's see if I can get it. And you can take this cut this way and then drift for an MT. I feel like the UMT is faster. Well, I personally like to do that. And this cut, I like to drift here. That's the way I like to take my cut. I like to cut G. Because the last stream cut is coming out. UMT to low glider. There is a shoe spot here, but I would not recommend it because it's slower. The only thing online, there's an item box here, so you can grab that if you're desperate and even out of an item box. And that should be it.